Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's a beautiful morning and I'm at the farm right now. As you can see, I'm already at the farm. So in this particular video, I'll be showing you another method of applying your fertilizer. I know we have smallholders in the industry. When I say smallholders, I mean small farmers that may not be able to afford to set up irrigation system or even set up a venturi system. Maybe you're depending on rainfall to do your planting. In my other video, I've talked about how the method I use to send fertilizers to my plants, and I use the venturi system, which is actually a very easy way of fertigating or putting fertilizers to your plants, which is this venturi system. This is my venturi, and the filter. This is how I send fertilizers to the farm. This is very easy. Mixed fertilizer is soluble, and mix with water, and you mix and send through this venturi down to the plant. Is very, very easy. So in this video, I will show you how you can apply fertilizer to your tomato plants. So you have our fertilizers here. This is NPK 15 15 15. So what you do, these are our plants. You have these tomato plants. I have these ones here, see. So they are all in the ridge, and you see my drip tape. This is what I use to supply water and also to fertigate, send my own fertilizers through drip irrigation. But here I will show you how you can apply this fertilizer directly to your plant manually without sending through this particular drip. So you take out small, be conscious of the quantity that you put per plant. Because you're using your hand, you might not be able to measure the quantity, but you'll be conscious of the quantity you put per plant. As I'll show you now, this is how you do it, as you can see. And make sure it's not directly to the roots of your plant. You have another plant here, as you can see. So that's how you be applying it. So you do that for all the plants. So when it rains, as you can see them here, when it rains, slowly they begin to dissolve, and then they become active to help your plants to grow. So these are granular fertilizer. Once you put them on the ground like this, since we are in rainy season, if it's dry season, you may have to cover to enable them dissolve easily. But since you are rainy season, you allow rain to fall. Once there is a little amount of water that touch them, they'll just dissolve. So this is a simple way of applying fertilizer to your plant manually when you don't have a venturi system or a water system that you can use to send your fertilizers. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe. See you in the next one.